Hi, and welcome back to Fabricmate Systems, where we teach you tips and techniques on how to put fabric on the wall and ceiling. Today's topic are Pro Packs. We have the DIY Contractor Tool Pack, and we have the Contractor Pro Series over here on this side. I'll be just bringing out the items here. They're action-packed. It's kind of like, for those that enjoy tools, it's going to be like Christmas here. Okay, so the first thing you're going to get is the instruction guide here. It's going to give you a lot of tips and techniques about how to put the system on the wall. More importantly, you're going to get that. I'll go over the contractor one here, the Pro Series. You're going to get the roller tool, the Pro Roller tool, and many of these have little videos on their individual product pages, so you can go ahead and check them out there. So we have the roller tool. Next we have the Pro Rocker tool. See that coming out of there? Action packed in here. You've got the 4-in-1 tool. Next we have the chamfer cutters. This is what you're going to use to cut a lot of your fabric mounting frame. It's amazing how much that they get in this little box. You have the helping hand here next. This is the tool you've seen on some other segments. It's going to help you to line your joints there. Stretch, get a little bit more stretch on your fabric panel. Next up we have the scissors and the sharpener combo here. Very handy. Again, these are the proper scissors to use when you want to get those long runs down the fabric wall there. And the sharpener that's going to keep them sharp. Those are also included in this kit. So for the professional out there that wants to do stuff day in, day out, you also have the hold it stick. This is one of the larger hold it sticks that comes in this package here. Again, you've seen this in other segments. This is what's going to allow you to get that gummy tackiness on the mounting frame there to allow for less slippage on the fabric. Then you have what's called our wall shield. This right here is the wall protector. You're going to use this in some cases to shim your track out. You'll see some of that in other segments. But you're going to more importantly use this to protect the wall or the ceiling or a cabinet from your tool when your tool is rolling up against it there. It protects it nicely. So very important wall protection. Okay, so this is the Pro Series pack over here on the right side. Over here on the left, you're going to see a lot of similar things in this little gift pack over here. Again, instruction manual, the same ones included. Most everything's the same in this pack other than the DIY tools. You've got the helping hand again. We'll go a little backwards on the goods. You've got the hold it stick, which we just talked about. You've got the combo set of scissors and scissor sharpeners in here. Very important. This kit again is designed for the DIYer, the person that's going to do a number of rooms in the house, or maybe you're going to do some commercial project work. And you've got the wall shield. Same items again that are in here. The only difference in this kit is the hand tools. Same chamfer cutter here for your tracks. This one is a dual purpose. You've got the 4-in-1 DIY version, the rocker DIY version, and the roller DIY. Again, a lot of contractors use this, so don't let the DIY confuse you. Very handy tool. So again, you'll see on both kits, you've got similar things. This is more for the DIYer that's going to do home walls, maybe smaller projects every now and again. Over here you got the set of tools that's going to last a lifetime. That's going to be for the contractor or the serious DIYer that wants to put the fabric wall finishing system up and have a great experience. So don't forget, all of these kits are available at Fabricmate.com. We thank you as always. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, go ahead and give them down the bottom there. Give them in the comments section. Go ahead and subscribe to us. And as always, we appreciate you spending time with us. Thank you.